Sometimes it's necessary to compile your own version of Tasmota. For example, in my case, the smart meter interface is not part of the precompiled bin file. I need to create my own user config override file. With these few lines, I copied the lines for later use. The easiest way to do it is via Gitpod. Open the master release on Gitpod. You need a GitHub and a Gitpod account. Both accounts are free. The page needs a few seconds to open up complete. Open the Tasmota drop-down menu and then the file user config override.h. Go to the bottom of the file and add the copied lines before the last end if. Now click on the 3 lines at the top left hand side corner, file and save. Wait until the compiling is complete. Now type in platformio run -e Tasmota. Now open the point build output firmware. Here we have the 2 new compiled files. I always use the bin version of it.